Thanks. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Hello, my name is Samuel Owens. Florida law requires that I inform you that I just moved into the neighborhood. Sexual offender. Pool party. Thanks. My body is a temple. It's not, I didn't even fucking start. Jesus. Every week I sacrifice a cow, 2 chickens, a pig, a lamb, pizza, nacho cheese, ranch sauce, Pop-Tarts, M&M's, Little Peeps. I got a guy and I get me around. Honestly, for the last year, like my biggest goal has been to lose weight. So in the last year, I've lost about 240 pounds. 140 of that to my ex-wife. The other 100, basically what I did, besides being depressed and lonely, I signed up for crip walking classes at Gold's Gym. For those of you who don't know what crip walking is, it's kind of like river dancing for gangsters. I figured, you know, I want to lose weight, but I also want to represent the West Coast. So I was walking down the street the other day, and I passed this obese hooker. And her sales pitch to me was, "I got that Duncan Hines pussy." So at first I was a little offended because I felt like she tried to tempt me with cake. But I mean, you know, she got my attention. Little did she know, I'm a culinary student. So I gave her the toothpick test. Failed. It's too much egg. Too much egg in the bag. Gross! You ever notice how some African American women sound like Canadian geese? Huh? What the fuck is up with that? They're from Canada. Why are you copying them? Nobody copies Canada. It's not as if the newest cutting trends are coming out of Windsor, fucking Canada. Anybody out there get emails from their parents, like religious emails? Yes. Me too. I got one recently that I enjoyed especially. There's a meme, there's a Christian meme. It's a picture of this little white girl. It's not important that she's white, I don't know why I specified. Anyway, she's praying, and the caption says, "Oldest form of wireless communication. No call ever dropped." And immediately I thought to myself, well, and those starving kids in Africa must have the wrong fucking number there. Or either that, or God treats their prayers like I treated Bill Collector's phone call. Like he looks on the prayer ID and goes, "Fuck. Jesus! Jesus! Did you forget to feed Africa again?" Jesus is in there watching, you know, Top Model Jerusalem or some shit. So, I'll do it later. I'll do it later. But he doesn't, because they're still starving. I know. For some of you, that's a little offensive because you're Christian, but don't be a fucking Muslim about it, alright? It's just comedy. My name is Sam Owens. Howler Troupe. I love you guys.
One hug's enough. One hug's enough. Folks, I want you to keep that